Hello, welcome. We are still working with factors and multiples. Today we have the question that says, write all even number between 26 and 60 which are multiples of 5. In this question, we need to know two things. We need to know what is even number. Even number are numbers that are divisible by 2 without leaving remainder. And multiple is a number you get by multiplying a number by whole numbers. Now we need the even number that they are found between 26 and 60, which are multiple of 5. That means that number they are divisible by 5. Straight, let us first list the even number between 26 and 60. The first one is going to be 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58. We need the one that is in between, so 60 is not included. Among this even number, we need the one which is multiple of 5, means they are divisible by 5. 30 is divisible by 5. We have 40 is divisible by 5. And 50 is divisible by 5. The rest, they are not divisible by 5. So, the even number between 26 and 60, which are multiples of 5, they are 30, 40, and 50. Only these three. I hope you understand the question. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.